We're going to start right up top here. Okay. There we go. Deep breath in and out. Good. One more time. Deep breath in and out. Good. Okay. Let me hit. Good. Okay. Bring that arm. Yep. Open over. Open over. Good. Keep the thighs to the table. I'm going to rotate you like this. And to the other
sorry.
No, you're good, you're good. There we go. Got a ton of movement there. How'd that feel?
On top.
Yep, the top leg. Alright. I'm gonna just pull that shoulder.
Oh.
There you go, like that. And like that. Come a little bit closer to me. Perfect. There it was. And then I'm gonna have you flip to the other side. Yep, yep. Perfect. There we go. And lay flat on your back. That moved very well. Bring that down a little for you. Perfect. All right, from here we're going to do the leg pulls.
Okay.
There we go.
Okay.
Come on up. Okay. One arm up. Yep, other one up. Deep breath in. Exhale out. Already cleared out. Good. And then you can let your hands, yep, rest on your stomach.
Okay. I know what's coming.
Good, good. And then, can you pull that a little bit through?
Oh.
And catch your breath. I got part of your hair there, so deep breath in and out for me. Take a deep breath in and out. One more time. Good. Okay. Let me have across like that. Good. So I want to do a shoulder adjustment here. There we go.
Looks good.
Okay. Go face down again for me. Leg pulls.
Okay.
With the leg pull, you'll feel some release in the ankle, the knee, going up to the hip.
Weird feeling, isn't it?
This one, yep, one arm up, bring the other arm up. Let me have you take a deep breath in and exhale out. And relax. Put your hands, yep, just rest. Now we're gonna use a wide strap.
That feels good.